What's up, you guys? Yes, we are Baby Yodi. We are Baby Yodi. We are Baby Yodi. We are Baby Yodi. If you want to know how to be able to create some makeup to turn yourself into Baby Yoda, celebrating Mandalorian Season 2 that's out on Disney Plus, then we are going to hop right into it. I will show you step by step what I did and tell you a little bit about what I learned and what I might do differently to help you so you don't make the mistakes I did. But let's go on the journey. This is the way. First steps first, let's protect the skin using some primer, and we're gonna hop right into blocking out our brows. To do this, I apply some glue. I just used like the Elmer's school glue stick with a spatula, and then I comb that through using a spoolie. I then set it using translucent powder, and then repeat the glue and brushing step one more time before sealing with powder one more time. And then going ahead and concealing the brows to blend them into that skin tone. So I used a full coverage concealer in a light color pretty close to my skin tone and looked absolutely ridiculous. I was very happy with this color I created using my custom blend kit, simply using the green and a light colored foundation that had some yellow in it. So this was just like the perfect seafoam Baby Yoda green I could think of. And I went over a couple of times just to get some of that coverage there. And then started to map out the eyes with a black liquid eyeliner. I used a reference photo to be able to create this, and what I actually did is I saved the picture of Baby Yoda and I took a picture of myself, put them both in Photoshop, and overlaid the Baby Yoda picture onto my face and tried my best to match it up, and then just turn the opacity down so that I could see actually what Baby Yoda's face would look like on my face. Before drawing on any of the details, I really needed to set this paint, so I just went all over with a translucent powder, and this gave me a nice base to be able to kind of paint in with this powder on top. So using a dark green eyeshadow, I went in and mapped out where I want the lips to be, which is really just a straight line across, and then started mapping out the nose, beginning with the nostrils, doing some rounded edges. And that was my first look of kind of seeing it coming together. It was very exciting. Then to move on to the eyelids, Baby Yoda in general, but Baby Yoda has a lot of ridges on their face. So kind of mapping out where it's going to be above, below, and all the wrinkles on the forehead, just taking a little bit of time. It doesn't have to be too dark or anything like that, just using a small detail brush and the same eyeshadow for all of these details, and just referencing that photo the entire time. I added in some crow's feet because even though he is a baby, he's definitely got lots of wrinkles. Then I moved in with a pink kind of paint, and I know that pink and green, they kind of neutralize each other, but he does have a lot of pink in his cheeks, kind of that youthfulness, so it is a bit of a gray cast, but I could in the future make this a little bit more pink, but adding, highlights to the cheekbones, to the nose, and then again the ridges of the eyelids, wherever we have a shadow we need a highlight and vice versa, so making sure that I had that covered. And then moving into the blacks of the eyes. So this look is, his eyes are open, it's just his entire eye is black, so when my eyes are shut, it's like Yoda's eyes are open. So not only are we painting them all black, but I will set that with a black eyeshadow to help prolong the wear and to help with like creasing and things like that. And then I'm also going to paint in some reflective details because it is an open eye, so it is an open eye, so it will catch and reflect light. I also set the pink powder with a light yellow eyeshadow, again catching the highlight on those ridges. I also tightlined using a black kohl eyeliner to just black out as much as possible. Then to just finish the outlines of the face, going in with the same eyeshadow. And now to make the ears. I'm gonna go through this quickly because this is just for the photo. This is not like an actual Baby Yoda ear tutorial. I just used computer paper. I did a rough sketch. I cut them out and I used the same paint that I used on my face to paint the ears. Once they were painted, I had to try and fix them onto my head, but here's the thing, computer paper is very flimsy, so I just, crazy put something together. Honestly, it's a plastic knife taped to the back to give it structure and then taped to my head. It is, just a short-term solution for the photo and to help bring this together. I honestly debated even including it in the video, but I wanted to just show you a glimpse of that process in case you wanted to know. And here's our final look. All right, this is our final look. Oh my God. We are Baby Yodi! Baby Yoda is my favorite. I love him. We're watching The Mandalorian. We just watched the first episode. I guess they're going to be releasing new episodes week to week. And Baby Yoda just keeps getting better and better. And he stole the entire world's heart along with mine. Guilty, but have to celebrate The Mandalorian back in production and releasing new episodes. So what better way to celebrate than to become the cutest little space creature ever. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other questions. Lessons learned through this. If I were actually going to do this and wear it out or something, I'd obviously spend some more time in the ears, probably out of foam, cardboard, some sort of waxing foam, sculpting foam, and actually spend some time and paint them and everything. But this was just to have the effect of the ears. It's totally ratchet, but it works. But as far as the makeup, I hope that was helpful at least. Let me know what questions you have. Feel free to leave them in the comments and I will get back to each and every single one of you, or feel free to use the link in my description to connect with me. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday, twice a week. And if you aren't already, maybe check out mine and my husband's channel. We put out new videos every single Monday just for the sillies and the giggles. That'll be linked here. If you want to check out some of our other Halloween or face painted looks, I'm gonna have to get another playlist together. Check out the link up here, as well as the beauty tutorials that we've done in the months past as well. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you as always for all of your support. This is the way.